Hello, people. Welcome back to the channel. And happy Valentine's Day, or Galentine's Day, or whatever today is to you. If you're super anti Valentine's Day, that's cool too. I was definitely that person for a while. I was that forever lonely kind of a dude for quite a while. Not anymore though. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. You are going to hear the laundry machine is on. You're going to hear that. But I don't have a ton of time before work to do this. So now is really the only time that I can get it done. I've already done my face makeup. I have my, lips, blush, whatever. I'm just going to be doing a cute little eyeshadow look in today's video. Spoiler alert for the Unearthly Cosmetics mystery box. I am going to be using the palette from there. I actually am already wearing a product from that. I'll get to that in a second on my face. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on, give a little bit of last minute Valentine's Day inspo. If you're going out or, with a partner or with friends, or even if you're just like staying in and eating ice cream and watching a movie, it's fun to just put on some makeup and celebrate the day. Let me just tell you really quickly what I have on my face. I have my Lancome foundation and concealer. I am wearing the Surrender blush palette from Unearthly. I'm actually just wearing this one right here. These are all glowy blushes, but I did top the high points of the cheek, my forehead, and my nose with Mars Melter from Kaleidos. That's what it looks like. I went in a lot more softly and subtly than I would normally do because I wanted this to be kind of neutral and wearable. Speaking of neutral and wearable, I am wearing this Fenty Cream Gloss Bomb. It's in the shade Candy Milk. This is a shade that you can't actually get anymore. It was exclusive to a holiday set in 2022. But it's my absolute favorite nude shade, so I wear it all the time. I primed my eyes with my Sigma eye base in the shade Persuade. Let's get started with the look. It's going to be a soft, wearable, cute, romantic sort of an eye look. So if you've been watching me, you probably know that I'm just a fiend for really dramatic eye looks, but today we're dialing it back. I'm going to start with this shade through my crease. It's called Generous. Oh, I am using the Surrender eyeshadow palette from the Unearthly Cosmetics Valentine's Day box, which by the way is restocking, so if you want to get your hands on one, they are coming back. I'm just taking this tiny little brush and I'm just going to go in. I'm going to actually just start in the middle and kind of go out, and I'm just going to go through this whole crease here. Okay, and that's the crease. I'm not going to take it up any higher. Like I said, I want this to be soft, wearable, not super dramatic, so that's the crease shade. And as you can see, it is a little bit of like a pinky, peachy. In the pan, it actually looks kind of almost like dusty rose-esque, but it does have a little bit of that peachy kind of a lean to it. So if you don't have this palette at home, you can just, use something similar, whatever you have. I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with this dark brown shade, Bustier. I'm going to use the same brush. And just going to get the outer V. Really gently. I don't want to take it in very far. Just like keeping it on the outside. I think that I'm actually ready for some shimmer. I think that looks good as it is. So I'm going to take this beautiful kind of duochrome pink. I think it like shifts from like it's a very cool toned pink to like a gold, and I am just going to take that on this shader brush. I'm just going to place that. Ooh, I should probably tap it off. I don't want to get fallout everywhere. I'm just going to place it over my lid. You guys, my washer machine is going absolutely ham right now. I don't know what setting my husband puts the washer machine on, but it was quiet for so long that I thought it was done, and now it's back in full force. I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, I made sure I kind of blended these two shadows together, that matte brown and the shimmer. And, the shimmer with the crease shade, right? Want everything to be nice and smooth. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to take this beautiful white shade called Radiant, and I'm gonna brighten that inner corner up. Take it in just a tiny bit. Okay, so the washing machine actually just turned off. Yeet. But let's do the under eye quick. You know what I think I'm going to actually do? Instead of taking Generous under the eye, I'm actually going to go in with... Oh, I still don't know how to... Is it Cami? Chemise? I saw other influencers not know how to pronounce it either, but I looked it up, and I think it's like an alternate spelling of the word cami, which is like... Isn't that like a thing that girls wear in the evening? I don't know. I'm not a woman. Obviously. I'm going to take this super cute, tiny little brush. I'm going to take whatever the hell the name of this shade is, this soft little pink, and I'm just going to run it under my eye. I think that it goes so beautifully with the shimmer. Just going to blend it out a little. Okay, so what do you think of that shade under my eyes? You'll notice that my eyes are like watering. It's because anytime I do anything with my lower lash line, my eyes tear up. I think I am going to take Generous, the shade that we used for the crease. I'm going to take it on the same brush, and I'm just going to take it on the outer part of the lower lash line. Just like here. Ooh, it's so nice. Kind of want to like make it meet up with the top as best I can. My left eye is like defensive of my right eye. If I was doing out here with the right eye, and my left eye started tearing like crazy. Look at me. Look how wet my eye is. But anyway, there's that. I think I personally prefer when I have a little more depth in my crease. So if you at home don't have super deep set hooded eyes like I do, you might want to kind of leave it like this, right? But I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to just take a little bit of depth into the crease. Instead of using that brown though, I think I'm actually going to take this deep red called Sensual, this like kind of burgundy red. I'm going to use this brush Just gonna take a little. I don't want to go crazy. Tiny little bit. Was that enough? I don't know. And I'm just gonna gently bring some of that through the crease. Again, this is just like personal preference for me. Like, I like to have some more depth in my crease. But if you want to leave it how it was before, go for it. I think that looks better for me personally. Okay, so my whole life is falling apart because the more I touch my eyes, the more this one is tearing. But what do you think of that? I added depth to the crease on both eyes, which for me personally, I think looks a little bit better. But what do you think? How do you feel about this look? Is it cute? Is it nice? I certainly hope that you like it. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this, if you took inspiration from it, and let me know what you guys did for Valentine's Day. My husband and I have reservations to go out for dinner, but the earliest time I guess that they had was like 9 o'clock. So we're going out at 9. Whatever, that's fine with me. I don't even care. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I guess that's it, you guys. I hope that you have a great Valentine's Day. I hope that you enjoyed this short little video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. Sorry about the crying. But yeah, I will be seeing you guys again tomorrow. My regular upload day is Wednesday. Oh, if you're new here, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Today is just a bonus video. Before I go, can I just show you the things that my husband got me for Valentine's Day? This chunky little guy was in my last video because he came earlier. My husband gave me this stuff like pre-Valentine's Day because he like told me that he was going to get it, so it didn't even matter. But this is my little squishy Snorlax. Isn't he cute? And then, so I had this adorable little guy, this little Squirtle that we got at Target. And then we discovered that there was also this version, the little Charmander version, as opposed to the other one was Squirtle, in case you couldn't tell. But yeah, he got me this for Valentine's Day. Isn't he cute? Look at his little tail. But yeah, that's all that I wanted to say. I hope that you have a great Valentine's Day. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Peace.